let's say 2 keys you'll be getting in the car. So if you lock the car, it should lock silently. Now there is no noise. Okay. If something is open, door or dicky anything, it makes noise. Sorry. It makes noise. Okay. It means the door is not locked properly. Then if you want to find your car in the crowd, you just hold these 2 keys. Lock or unlock, it goes silent. And if your car is locked, if you want to give access to boot for someone, you just press this one, the boot will open. Okay.
Automatically the wood.
It won't open. Just the lock will release. Then you have to uplift it. Okay.
This is light.
This is light. So if you press this one, that light will turn on for 30 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds. It will. Then you can walk through the darkness. You can arrange it. Okay. And in your car, you get the manual key also. If you slide this one, you get the manual key. So in case if you have parked the car for longer time, the auxiliary battery, we have small battery also in the car, that will go down. Then you have to access the door, means you have to open from this key here, open the hood and replace the battery. Done. And here you get the request sensor. You can keep the car keys in the pocket and you can unlock the car. Let's say now it's locked. If I press this one, there is a button in this one. So it will unlock. I can sit and start the car and go.
So this is a sensor.
Yeah, this is a request sensor. We call it as proximity sensor.
So how it will be set up for me?
So this is the frequency. So if you are standing there and keeping the car keys, it won't unlock.
Okay.
There is a distance, very close by distance only. Done. Here you get the mirror adjustments. So if you see the mirror adjustments here, this dot indicates the adjustment. So right, left, okay. And if you twist it towards right and so adjust the mirror will adjust. Similarly, if you twist it to left and adjust the mirror left, and you need to twist the this thing. You have to point it to the left or right, and you have to adjust it. And toggle down for done. And here you get the alpha power windows, and you get the this. If you press in the rear seating person cannot access the power window. Okay, this is a kind of a child lock. So apart from that, you get the individual doors, power windows access here. All the power windows. So apart from that, if you want to charge your car, as usual, the fuel lid opener, we have a charging this one opener. Okay, you can open and you can use it. Here you get the 6-way adjustable seat. This is to recline, and this is to adjust the height, and this is down, and this is up. Okay, and here you get the as usual front and back. Done. So apart from this, you just have a seat, sir. I will sit you there.
বসে পড়েন পিছনে বসে পিছনে বসুন।
So whenever you want to start the
big
car,
box. So what is this for?
that's for charging installation. They will install the charger.
Can we put in the dicky? They want to sit.
Yeah, we can do that. As of now, if you want me to do it now.
I can also do. কোথায় আছে? ঠিক আছে। Okay, go.
Okay. So apart from this, so whenever you want to start the car, make sure you apply brake. So don't use your left leg for driving this car, because this is automatic car completely. Just have to press brake, apply brake, and push the button.
Apply brake.
Yeah, brake and push the button.
This one.
Yes. So you just have to wait. So okay. Once the car is started, here it shows ready.
Where it shows ready?
See here, on 0 it's showing ready.
Can you stop the?
Yeah, I stop it. Okay, ready. It means the car is ready to move. Okay. So apart from that, you are getting a range here and the kilometer driven. So apart from this, the car is in now city mode. It got the sports and economy mode also. and it shows whenever you start the car, before moving the car, it shows the alignment of the tires. Now the tires are towards left. If you steer it to the right, it shows the balancing. See, steering wheels aligned. So it means now the car steering is straight. Done. So apart from that, this is to adjust the temperature of the AC, and temperature it shows here. Basically, whenever you increase or decrease, it shows here how much you are using the AC.
And if I don't want the AC,
You can turn it off completely here. Just one tap, it will completely turn off. Done. So
turn off this one.
yeah, turn on is this one.
Turn on is this one.
Yeah, done. So apart from that, here you get the position changing, AC, face and leg. It shows here. Hello, sir. Hello, customer place. HSR layout. Okay, and basically it shows the position here, defogger, face and leg. Okay, so you just keep it as a face. So if you want AC at the left also, you can press and change it. Okay, this is to use the defogger, front and back defogger. So for max fog clearing. Okay, so after that, this is to get the AC intake, air intake. ये basically inside the cabin ही रखिए, क्योंकि आपको AC effective रहेगा. ये एक्सप्रेस कूलिंग है. If you press this one, आपको जो है गाड़ी का जो भी अंदर, जैसे कि समर में काम आएगा. ये हॉट समर में गाड़ी अपने पार्क कर दिया, गाड़ी में बहुत ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर है, तो इसको प्रेस करेंगे तो ड्राइवर का जो विंडो है वो डाउन हो जाएगा और मैक्सिमम एयर ब्लो करेगा, ताकि अंदर का गर्म हवा बाहर जाए. उसके बाद पावर विंडो को आप ऑफ करना पड़ेगा मैनुअली. डन. सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस इज द मेजर वन इम्पॉर्टेंट इन दी होल EV कार. जब भी आप चार्जर कनेक्ट करेंगे, पावर ऑन करेंगे, चार्ज हो जाएगी गाड़ी. जब गाड़ी का चार्जर निकालना हो तो पावर ऑफ करके इसको होल्ड करना पड़ेगा 3 सेकेंड, 3 से 5 सेकेंड. उसके बाद गन को पुल करना पड़ेगा. विदाउट दैट इफ़ यू पुल इट, जो ये रहता है एक्चुएटर मैनुअली फोर्सफुली आ जाएगा, बट गाड़ी चार्ज नहीं होगी. ओके, दिस वन मेजर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. व्हेनेवर यू पुट द गन, टर्न ऑन द कार, इट विल चार्ज. एंड व्हेनेवर यू टेक आउट द गन, डोंट डायरेक्टली पुल आउट द गन, जस्ट पावर ऑफ एंड लॉन्ग प्रेस इट फॉर 5 सेकेंड्स, टेक इट ऑफ, ईजिली आ जाएगी गन. डन. And this is to turn on the fog lamp. Once you turn on the headlight, you can access it. Hill descent function है. जब भी आप slopey areas में गाड़ी उतारेंगे, then you get the control of the car. And ये 4-way hazard light है, indicator light. And this is to open the boot. Okay. And this is the central locking system. And this is the camera. Okay. So 360 degree camera में individual, 2D में individual cameras होते हैं, और 3D में you can access complete. सही है. सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, आपको मोबाइल वगैरह कनेक्ट करना हो तो यू कैन कनेक्ट योर मोबाइल फोन एंड यू कैन एक्सेस द होल द थिंग्स हियर. किसी का कॉल आ रहा है, लेट मी जस्ट डिस्कनेक्ट माय मोबाइल फोन.
बारिश से पहले सबको अलर्ट कर देना. और भैया, ऐसा पेड़ लगाना जो अपनी एनर्जी से पूरे शहर को रोशनी दे.
एक्सिस बैंक स्प्लैश, नन्हे सपने बड़ी उड़ान.
सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, गाड़ी का ये म्यूज़िक सिस्टम में आप पेयर करके डिवाइस को यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ब्लूटूथ ऑन करके. और यहाँ पे आपको ये सनरूफ मिलेगा. इसमें 2 स्टेप्स हैं. एक स्टेप करेंगे तो जस्ट ये ओपन होगा, और इसको कहीं पे भी स्टॉप करना हो तो जस्ट इसको ऐसे करेंगे तो स्टॉप भी हो जाएगा. कहीं पे भी सनलाइट चाहिए. और ग्लास ओपन करना हो तो और एक स्टेप ओपन करेंगे तो ये ग्लास भी ओपन हो जाएगा. ओके. और इसमें जो है वॉइस असिस्टेंस भी है. इफ यू प्रेस दिस वन, if you press this one and tell open sunroof, ये ओपन हो जाएगा. जैसे कि ओपन sunroof, हे टाटा ओपन sunroof. Done? ओपन भी हो जाता है, क्लोज भी हो जाता है। डन। सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इसमें गाड़ी में आपको वायरलेस चार्जर
What
भी
is
मिल
this?
रहा है।
What is this?
वो ऑटो डिमिंग ARPM है।
हाँ.
सो ये कैसे काम करेगा कि ये बाई डिफ़ॉल्ट ऑन ही रहता है। जब भी आपकी कोई भी गाड़ी हाई बीम पे आती है, उसका जो हेडलाइट का ग्लेयर होता है वो आपके आंखों में नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि इसको डल कर देता है वो बेसिकली। डन। सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस गाड़ी में इस बाजू से